Hey everyone, it's Kelly, the Frugal Fun Mum. Welcome. Today we're going to be opening the Woolworths bricks packs. We have about 35 of them, so let's get started. First, here are the pieces that we already have. The butcher, the deli, a fridge, an aisle shelf, another aisle shelf, another aisle shelf, another aisle shelf, a checkout. We also have some solar panels. Oops, dropped one. And I also have some entry gates that I didn't show you. So one by one, I'm just going to be going through and opening these packs. I've sped up a lot of the putting together just so it goes a bit quicker. And I'm just doing this as a little bit of a voiceover because I had people coming in and out of my kitchen. So I'm going to leave you here. You can watch me going through them. Of course, any doubles that I had, I just put to the side and made a list of them, and I'll use those to trade for any other pieces. I've been very lucky that I've had friends and family collecting packs for me when they get their shopping, so I haven't gotten all these packs myself, so I've put them all together so I can undo them all in one big video. So enjoy, and I'll see you at the end. So I called my son in to help me put the rest of the shop together with today's pieces. He is the master builder, so of course this was easy for him. Thank you so much for your time today. I so appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Let me know where you're watching from and if you're collecting the bricks and how you're going. And please consider subscribing to the channel because we love having you here. I so appreciate your time. As always, I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.